Hi guys, my name is Dio and today we're going to be making a Massaman fish curry. And the ingredients that you'll be needing for this recipe is the fish, ghee, knorr cubes, shrimp paste, soy sauce, coconut cream, Massaman curry paste, palm sugar and kaffir lime leaves. So the first thing you need to do is take your coconut cream and pour it into the pan. Now you're going to let this boil down until you start seeing bubbles and it sort of starts to separate from the oil. I've used about half of the can because you're going to use the rest once you've added in your fish. As you can see, this has started to bubble up now. So what you want to do is take your Massaman curry paste. This is about a tablespoon and a little bit. You can use any brand you like, but just remember some brands are more salty. So just taste it as you go along. Now you're just going to wait for that to sort of simmer down. This is a very quick and simple dish. So if you're coming back from work and you don't have time, you don't know what to make, but you want something tasty, believe me when I say this is it. This is the one. Look at the way it's all coagulating together. Wonderful. Now you can see that the paste is separated from the oil by the little pockets of holes. Then you add soy sauce, just a few drops of soy sauce to bring out the flavour. Then I'm going to add 2 cubes of knorr, just to give it a nice balance. This is what you want to see, where the oil has separated from the coconut cream. This means it's cooked down properly. Then I'm going to add in some chunks of palm sugar. Now you can get these in like local Asian markets. If you don't have that, honey will do, or sugar, but this is better because it's from the bark of the tree. And then I'll take a teaspoon of shrimp paste. This is really going to elevate it. Now I'm going to add my cod fillets. I decided to use cod fillets because it's going to cook quickly. So I'm not going to overcrowd it. Just going to do these first. Get all that juice over the fish. I keep on falling in and out of love with you. I never loved someone as much as I loving you. I'm getting carried away. Getting very carried away right now. This is what this dish does to me. I get carried away. I'm getting carried away by the fish. Now I'm just going to add the remaining coconut cream. Yes, that's coming together. Yummy. Oh, look at it, it's so tender, falling apart. Nice and soft. Now I'm going to take a few kaffir lime leaves, just a couple, and I'm going to crush it over it. They're dried. If you use fresh, you'll have to use a lot less because it will be very, very pungent. That's basically it. Done. And here you have Massaman fish curry. So earlier on I decided to boil some rice to have with the fish. You can obviously eat the fish by itself, but rice is life, so let's taste this. Nah, it's glorious. It's actually glorious.